This is Srija. Today I'm going to share my views on the topic boys and girls. Does that matter? The answer is no for me, obviously. Boys and girls had been perceived to be different from each other. But both of them are human beings and are the creations of the God. When a child took birth, the first question asked by the mother is whether my child is fine. Both boys and girls are equal for their parents. Although the Constitution of India grants equal rights for boys and girls, but gender disparities still remain. The present society have made it complicated by making differences between boys and girls by gender socialization. What a boy should do and what a girl should do. This kind of inequality prevents the girl from reaching their full potential in the workplaces, education centers, schools, homes, and society at a large. The orthodox views of the society should be modified by education that there should be no gender discrimination in India. Girls are even more better than the boys. They are improving and excelling themselves in every field of life, starting from sports, academics, fashion, civil services. If we take the example of Kiran Bedi, Hima Malini, P.T. Usha, and many others more, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi had correctly said that women is the companion of men with equal capacities. But the present society is not agree to take it. We should not only give the proper value for the work done by the boys but also for the girls. We should raise aspirations for both of them. So, in a country like India, there remains no gender disparities, no imbalance between the differences between boys and girls, and this cannot be heard. You are a boy and you are a girl. So, thank you so much for hearing my speech.